Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This Sharp washing machine. Customer has called me. They said they cannot use it, but water is refilling okay and draining also okay. Just cannot wash and cannot spin. So let's see. Let me set to the spin mode. Then start. You have to wait for a few seconds. Some model few minutes. So see, dear viewers, there is a motor noisy. Motor is spinning, but drum is not spinning. So this is the problem. Motor is spinning, drum not spinning. So let me lay down it, and we have to see the backside. So after lay down, I have seen. Let me go backside. See, dear viewers, this belt has broken. See, this belt has broken. So that's why motor is spinning, but drum is not spinning. Drum is not moving. So this is the main problem. So dear viewers, I'll change the belt, then video will be back. Okay, dear viewers, I have changed the belt. So see, this is the old belt. This broken belt has broken, and I have fixed a new belt. So let's see how is it. So okay, dear viewers, let me put the spin mode. Press the start button. So after a few minutes, or some model after a few seconds, so alhamdulillah, dear viewers, it's now spinning. So dear viewers, alhamdulillah, now it's working fine. So dear viewers, it was problem only this belt. So now finally it's okay, fine, it's working fine.